How to remove Roblox PIN if you forgot it. So first of all, open up the Roblox application in your mobile device. After that, log into your account. Now, in case you forgot your PIN in Roblox and would like to remove it, now once you see yourself in the home page, navigate to the More button from the bottom right corner. You will land on this menu page. Here scroll down a bit and there you will find an option as Help and Safety. Tap on that. Now from here, tap on Help. Now once you land on this Help page, there you will find a search bar. So in that search bar, you have to type in Forgot PIN. And there you will have a link as I forgot the PIN. So tap on that. That will take you to next page. Here it says once a PIN is added to the account, it will be needed to make changes to the account setting. Here, the user or the parents or guardians will not be able to manually reset the PIN if it is forgotten. Customer support will assist with resetting forgotten PIN. So for that, you have to reach out to customer support. For that, you will have the form as a contact form there. So simply tap on that contact form link. That will navigate to your next page in your Chrome browser, and here you will have a form that says contact us. So first of all, you have to type in your username and your first name. First name and username is optional here, so you can skip that as well. But if you see below that, there is an text box for email address. So make sure you type in your correct email address associated with your account. Under that, confirm your email address again. Now under issue details, you have to select what device are you having the problem on. So simply tap on that drop down box. From here you have to select your device. And if you scroll down a bit, there is a type of help category. So tap on that, and here you can say that account hacked or can't log in. So select the first one, and under that there is a next drop down box. Tap on that, and from there tap or select account PIN. After done with that, there is a description of issue section where you will have a text box to describe the issue that you're facing. You can mention that you have forgotten your account PIN and would like to remove that. After that, simply tap on continue, and then your form will be submitted to support center, and within an hour or within some business days, Roblox will contact you back and will help you assist with your problem to remove the PIN. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.